Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to print text on the screen. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we want to print something like Taliban is awesome. So what we do, we put printf statement, printf, and then within the bracket you put a quote mark, and within the quote mark you write whatever you want to print. Now here I'm going to type Taliban is awesome. Okay, so this is the one that's going to print, and after you put this one you have to put a semicolon, right? Then you have to execute, and then you will see Taliban is awesome. It's printed right here. Now let's try something different. So let's say you want to print another stuff. So let's put something like this, printf. Let's go down and put another printf statement, printf, and then you type Taliban is cool. Okay, so here you have to put another semicolon, and then if you execute you will see that here, but here you can see there's no gap or there's no new line because we didn't put any statement after the first paragraph, so it just reads continuously. So to move this one to next line, what we can do is we can put a \n. So if you put a \n, that represents new line. So if you put this one and execute, you will see the next one is going to the next line, right? And also you can put the tab. For the tab, instead of n you put t mean tab, and if you execute you will see a gap. Here you can see we are getting a gap, right? And also we can do one more thing. We can make a noise, like if you put a here instead of t and execute, you will get a noise. But here I am using the online compiler. If you use code blocks or any other stuff, you will hear the noise, right? And these are some basic stuff about printing stuff on screen. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.